Welcome to Question Bank. In this video, I am going to solve 40 questions from non-technical portion of NLC exam. And here in the syllabus that is given 40 questions on quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, general awareness, data interpretation and general English. This part is I am going to solve in this video. So this is the first question. 6 balls start ringing together and ring at intervals of 3, 8, 10, 12, 15 and 20 seconds respectively. How many times will they ring together in next 2 hours? This is the question. Here the balls are started ringing and they ring in the intervals of these seconds. 6 balls. So what we will do here, we will take the LCM of these intervals. So what is the LCM here? That is 3, another is 8 is 2 to the power 3, 10 is 2 into 5, 12 is 2 to the power 2 into 3, 15 is 5 into 3 and 20 is 2 to the power 2 into 5. So here the LCM will be 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 5 into 3, that is 120. So this is 120 second and this is 2 minute, 120 second or 2 minute. So hence they are ringing together in every 2 minutes. The bells are ringing in every 2 minutes together. So in next 2 hour means in next 120 minute, next 120 minute they will ring 120 by 2, that means 60 times. So this answer is 60 times. If the question asked how many times they ring without next 2 hour, next 2 hour means excluding the first one when they are started. So this is 60. If next word is omitted in this question, then the answer will be 61. Next question. The compound interest on a sum of 2 years is 832 and the simple interest on the sum of the same period is 800. The difference between the compound and simple interest for 3 years will be. So this is a very interesting question. So simple interest for 2 year is 800. So simple interest for 1 year, simple interest for 1 year will be 400 because this is simple interest, and second year also this will be 400. So this will be added to be 800. So and given this is, and simple interest for the first year and the compound interest for the first year is the same, that is compound interest for first year is also 400 and compound interest for the second year, second year will be 832 minus 400, which is 432 is the compound interest for the second year. So compound interest is 32 more than simple interest. Here compound interest is 32 more than the simple interest. This is simple interest. So what is this increment? Increment is 32 by 400 into 100. So this is 8% increment in compound interest in comparison to the simple interest. So difference between compound interest and simple interest in third year, difference between compound interest and simple interest in third year, what will be it? It will be simple interest obtained for 832, because this is the compound interest obtained at the end of second year, and the simple interest on this amount will be the difference for the third year. So this is equal to 832 into 0 point, and increment we have already calculated, that is 8%. So this will be equal to 66.56. So what will be the total difference in third year, sorry, in the 3 year, in the amount of the interval? Total difference will be first in the first it was first 2 year, this is 32 plus first year is 0, second year is 32, and third year is 66.56. so this will be totally 98.56. Difference is 98.56. Next question number 3. What is the greatest number which is dividing 1223 and 2351 leaves remainders 90 and 85 respectively? So here 1 2 2 3 I will subtract 90 and it will be 1 1 3 3, and for 2351 I will subtract 85, this is coming to be 2266. So HCF of these numbers will be the greatest number which on dividing 1223 and 2351 will leave remainders 90 and 85 respectively. So what is the HCF? This is completely divisible by this number, is completely divisible by this one. So HCF will be 1133. So answer is option B, 1133. Here HCF is used. A student multiplied a number by 3 by 4 instead of 4 by 3. What is the percentage error in the calculation? So let the number be x. So should be multiplied with 4 by 3. So this is 4 by x. This is true value. And what he have done? He have multiplied by 3 by 4. So this is measured value in terms of engineering. So what is the error? Error is 4x by 3 minus 3x by 4 by true value, that is 4x by 3, and this will be 16x minus 9x by 4x into 4 in 4, this much, and this will be around and this will be around 43.75%. 43.75%. So option A is the correct answer. Next question number 5. A person goes to his office at 1/3 of the speed at which he returns from his office. Goes his office at 1/3 of his speed at which he returns from his office. If average speed during the whole trip is 12 km per hour, what is the speed of the person while he was going to his office? This is the question. So let the speed be x when he returns from the office. I am taking to be x. So this will be going to the office, it will be x by 3, because I am assuming the returning speed to be x. This will be x by 3. So what is the average? Average is 2 into x into 2 into x by 3. suppose this is uv, 2uv by u plus v, so this will be x plus x by 3, so this will be 2x square by 4x, and this is x by 2, and this is given to be 12, so x will be 24. So speed to the office will be speed to office is x by 3, that is 8 kilometer per hour. So here answer is option A, 8 kilometer per hour. Question number 6. A container contains a mixture of two liquids P and Q in the ratio 5:3. When 3 liters of the mixture are drawn off and the container is filled with Q, the ratio of P and Q becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid P was contained in the container initially? This is the question, and initially P is to Q was 5:3. So I am considering this is to be 5x liter and this is 3x liter, and total is 8x liter. This is the my consideration. So 3 liter is drawn out. So what will be the 3 liter drawn out? So 3 liter drawn out. So this is 5 by 8 into 3 of a P. So this will be 15 by 8 of P. 15 by 8 liter of P, and here 3 by 8 into 3. This is 9 by 8 liter of Q was drawn out. So remaining part, what will be the remaining? P and Q. Here remaining will be, here it was 5x and drawn out 15 by 8, and here it was 3x and drawn out 9 by 8. So these are the remaining portion of the liquids in that solution in the container. So when again filled with Q, when again filled with Q, that means only Q is added, that is now the portion will be 5x minus 15 by 8. This is same, P is same, but Q is added. 3x minus 9 by 8 plus 3, this is added. So now the ratio is this is to this. So this is given to be 5x minus 15 by 8 by 3x plus 15 by 8. 9 by minus 9 by 8 plus 3 is equal to 15 by 8. So this is 15 by 8 is 7 by 9 given. So if we solve this one, 9 multiplied by 5x minus 15 by 8 is equal to 7 into 3x plus 15 by 8. So this will be, if we solve this one, we will get x to be 5 by 4. So initial p value will be 5x, 5 into x, this is 25 by 4. This is 6.25 liter. 6.25 liter. Initial p value will be 6.25 liter. So option B. Next question. Question number 7. Log base x 9 by 4 is equal to minus half. Then what is the value of x? This is logarithm can be expressed in terms of exponential or the power form, like this: x to the power minus half is equal to 9 by 4. This is, and here negative half in the power can be expressed like this: 1 by x to the power positive half is equal to 9 by 4. So here x to the power positive half is equal to 4 by 9, and x will be equal to 4 by 9 square. Half will be going to the right side, and this will be square, so this will be 16 by 81. 16 by 81. 16 by 81, option D. Next question: a bag contains 4 black, 5 yellow and 6 green balls. 3 balls are drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that all of them are yellow? 3 balls are going to be taken out from the bag and all of them are to be yellow. What is the probability? This is the question. So probability of getting 3 yellows. So total number of ways of drawing 3 balls. What is the probability? Total number of balls is 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus 6. This is 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. So total number of way of drawing 3 balls is equal to 15C3. This is equal to 15 factorial by 3 factorial into 12 factorial. This will be 4, 5, 5. This is the total number of way. So number of way of drawing 3 yellow balls from 5 yellow balls, because here 5 yellow balls, we will get 3 yellow balls. So number of way of drawing 3 yellow balls is 5C3. This is 10. 5C3, this is 10. So what is the probability? Probability is 10 by 4, 5, 5. This is 2 by 91. 2 by 91. 2 by 91. So this is option A. How many digits will be there to the right of the decimal point in the product of 105.345 and 15.03242? So here, after multiplication of these two numbers, what will be the number of digits in the right of decimal? So here this is 3 and here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there should be 3 plus 5, that is 8. Should be 8 digits in the right of the decimal. But as there is 5 and 2, the multiplication will be 0 and the 0 will not be counted in the extreme right of the decimal. So the term will be 7. Number of digit will be 7. Next question. Question number 10. A fruit seller sells apples at the rate of 9 rupees per kg and thereby losses 20%. Losses 20%. That means selling price is equal to 9 and loss is 20%. At what price per kg he should have sold them to make a profit of 5%? So I will say that loss is 20%, means 80 represents 9. So what will be the 100? That means the cost price is 9 into 100 by 80. This is 45 by 4, which is equal to the cost price. So for profit of 5%, this is 100, and for 105 this will be 105 into 45 by 4 by 100. This will be 11.81. So this is answer is 11.81. In certain code language, GO is written as FHNP. Then how will CAR be written? So in this is a coding. So GO is written as F H N and P, and here F and H are the just before and after G. So F G H and N O P. This is O is after N and then P. So like that CAR will be just before and after of the each letter. So before C this is B, and this is a D after C, and before A this is Z, and after A this is B, and before R this is Q, R S, this one is S. So B D Z B Q S, this one is the question, sorry, this one is the answer. So this is option B. Arun is taller than Sanjay. Arun is taller than Sanjay. Arun is taller than Sanjay. Bipul is taller than Arjun. Sorry, Arun. Bipul is taller than Arun. Krishna is also not as taller as Bipul. Krishna is also not as taller as Bipul, but taller than Arun. So Krishna will be here. Krishna will be in the middle. So here Krishna will be in the middle. So who is the tallest? Tallest is the Bipul. Tallest is the Bipul. Next question. We have to fill this question mark with the accurate figure. What will the accurate figure? As this one is like this, this one is like this, and this one is like this, this will be like this one and this one. So we have to find only this, and like this it is also going to be like this. So what is the figure? Figure number C. Figure number C. Figure number C. Next question. From 1 pm to 10 pm, the hands of a clock will be at right angle dash times. From 1 pm to 10 pm. So this is 9 hours. 9 hours. And in 1 hour, suppose this one is clock, in 1 hour, when suppose this one is the hour hand, this one long one is the minute hand. Minute one crosses the hour hand in a hour once, and it makes perpendicular to the right hand twice in 1 hour. So in 9 hours this will be 18 times. 18 times. Next question. B is father of Q. B has only 2 children. B has only 2 children. I am representing this one like this. B is the father of Q. B is father of Q, and B has only 2 children. Q is the brother of R. Q is the brother. I am writing Q is the brother of R. I am writing circle for the female and male is for square. B is father, so this is also square. Next is R is the daughter of P. R is the daughter of P. As they both are brother and sister, so this is P is the mother. P is the mother, and marriage I have written as plus. So they are the childrens. Q and R are the childrens. A is the granddaughter of P. So I am writing here A. A is granddaughter of P, and S is the father of A. S is the father of A. S is father of A. So here, as there are only two child and S is father, so this will be S is married to R. S is married to R and their child is A. Then when A is also a girl child. So how S is related to Q? S is related to Q. How S is related to Q? So this one is the family diagram, and how S is related? S is related as S. Q is the brother-in-law. Q is the brother-in-law. Q is the brother-in-law and vice versa of S, brother-in-law. So here option D. Next question. Question number 16. Here the number is given 432 is to 24, then 735 will be what? So this is here in 432, 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 24. Similarly 7 into 3 into 5, 7 into 3 into 5, 21 into 5, this is 105. So this is the answer. Next question. In the number, this is the number given, position of the first and second digit are interchanged, position of the third and fourth digits are interchanged, and so on till the position of 10th and 9th are interchanged. Then which digit will be 5th from the left end? So this is the number I am interchanging. This one is 8 and this one is 3. This one is 6 and 5. This one is 9 and 4. This one is 2 and 0. This one is 1 and 7. This is the number given, and what is the 5th position from the left? So this is first, second, third, fourth, 5th. 5th is 9. So 5th is 9. Next question. This question is data interpretation, and for this first question is if all the awaited results are same, then who is the topper? So here what is given, these are student names A, B, C and D are 4 students, and the full mark is 200, and these are the subjects they have given examinations, and all these are marks, and result awaited is these results are not been published yet. So here question is, if all the awaited results are same, then who is the topper? So here we will add all the numbers for all the students. So for A, this is 95 plus 76 plus 84 plus 87. Suppose all awaited results to be X. So this will be 342 plus X. Similarly for B, this will be 376 plus X. And similarly for C, this will be 346 plus X. And this will be 366 plus X. And X is the same for all the students. So who will be the topper? Topper will be this one, 376. So B will be the topper. So here option A is correct, which is containing the student B. So next question is, if 200 is the full mark for of a subject mentioned, then what percentage A is ahead of C in Hindi? What percentage A is ahead of, what percentage I am clearing out. 200 is the full mark for each subject mentioned, then what percentage A is ahead of C? A is ahead of C in Hindi. So A scores 87 and C scores 78. So what is the difference? Difference is 9. A is ahead of 9 marks And what is the percentage? 9 marks in 200 full mark. 200 mark, this is 9 marks. So what is the percentage? Percentage is for 100. So this will be 4.5%. This is 4.5%. Till date, in which of the subject mentioned all the students scored more than 47%. So what is 47%? What is 47% for 200 full mark? For 200 full mark, 47% is 47%. 47% is in 200. This will be 80. This will be 80 plus 14. This is 94. More than 94. All the students should score 94 in the subject. 94 in 94. So this is 83. This is not the case. Science is 76. Not the case. This is 84. Not the case. Hindi 87. Not the case. So social science 97, 95, 96. All are greater than 94. So here answer is social science. Next question. Which of the following is a synonym of judicious? Which is the synonym of judicious? Judicious means thoughtful, and this is the synonym prudent. Prudent is the synonym, and irrational, fatuous and foolish, these all are antonyms. That means opposite. He is dash and he always does what is dash and fruitful. We have to fill the dash or the fillings with these words. So what should be the words? The words should be pragmatist and practical, because in this case practical is the only choice. So this can be filled. And what is the pragmatist means? Pragmatist means the realistic. This means realistic. So next question number 23. The police dash trying to solve the case. Is, are, was, has been. So police are trying to solve the case. The police means the plural form, always in plural form. The police means gang of police persons. Lipophobia is the fear of dash, getting fat, lip balm, lipamia, and none of the above. So this is lipophobia is fear of getting fat. This is actually derived from lipid. So lipid, that is protein. So this is lipophobia. Next question number 25. You don't need dash here anymore in the sun. You don't need standing, to stand, none of the above. You don't need to stand here. Next question. The dinner dash ate when our guest arrived. When our guest arrived. This is in simple past. So this sentence should be in past perfect. So the dinner had not been prepared. This is also in the past perfect and passive also, because dinner is being prepared, not dinner preparing something. Dinner is not the subject, dinner is the object. So here answer is had not been prepared. If I knew his address, I would have told you then. Replace the correct form of verb in the sentence marked red. We have to replace knew with the correct form. So here in the if clause, in the this clause, I would have told you. Would have told is mentioned for what? For had known. For if I had known, here it should be I had known. Next question. Complete the sentence with correct question tag. Let us start now. Then shall we, should we, would we, could we. So this will be shall we. Shall we. So next question. I have a work to do and so I will reach late. So which part of the sentence is to be rectified? That means which part has error. So in this question, which part has error? So here a work is given in the part B. So this should be a piece of work. Piece of work. This should be a piece of P-I-E-C-E, piece of work. So here option part B. Part B means option A. Part B means option A. No animal is so sacred to Hindus as the cow is. Here is the, we have to find out the error in which part. So here, as here so is given, here so is given, so we have to change this one. We have to change this one, because if here the underlined part is not given, A is not given, so if we change so as, what will happen? No animal is as sacred to the Hindus as the cow is. So this is correct. But here the underlined part is no animals. So we have to change this one, and here this will be no other animals. No other animals is so sacred to the Hindus as the cow is. So here the part A has error. So option B. Next question. What is the correct combination of the capital city and the currency for the country Turkey? So the capital city of the Turkey is not in Istanbul, this is Ankara, and the currency is Turkish lira. So option D, Ankara and lira. Which of the following state has the largest coal reserve? This is Jharkhand. Jharkhand has maximum coal reserve, and the next one is Odisha. Odisha is 2, Jharkhand is 1, Chhattisgarh is 3, West Bengal is 4, Madhya Pradesh is 5. Who among the following is not a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Who among the following is not a full-time member of Niti Aayog? So this is Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is not a full-time member of Niti Aayog, because these three peoples are full-time members. And who is the chairman? Chairperson is Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi, and full-time members are V.K. Saraswat, V.K. Paul, Ramesh Chand. They are full-time members. And Nirmala Sitharaman along with Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah and Narendra Singh Tomar are ex officio members. What is the principal ore of aluminum? This is bauxite. Bauxite is the principal ore. Which part of the ear helps in maintaining body balance and posture? This is vestibular apparatus. Option C. Next question. Who is the author of the book Humayun-Nama? Humayun-Nama author is option A, Abul Fazl, option B, Gulbadan Begum, option C, Akbar, option D, Khwad Amir. So this is Gulbadan Begum, who is the daughter of Humayun. So she has written the book Humayun-Nama. This is biography. Next question is the national song Bande Mataram composed in which language? This is a Sanskrit. Neutron was discovered by option A, J.J. Thomson, option B, Goldstein, option C, James Chadwick. Option D, Rutherford. This is James Chadwick. Next question. Currently, RT-PCR tests are being used to detect COVID-19 virus. For which of the following PCR is abbreviated? So PCR is abbreviated polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction. Last question. The Rafale jet India is importing are manufactured by. This is Dassault. This is the French company which is making Rafale jets, and these companies are also European but not European, and this one is also French company but not making Rafale. So this is the end of this questions, and thank you for watching up to here.